All eyes on the executive branch of Indiana today as the governor issues an order regarding immigration. This as President Donald Trump's administration ramps up its efforts on campaign promises today with a surge in arrests of undocumented immigrants nationwide. More than 1,000 arrested today. Among those arrests were people already wanted for crimes in the U.S. ICE says it is going after, quote, the worst first. But they are not stopping there. Anyone in the country, convicted or not, could be detained or apprehended, ICE says. Meanwhile, WRTV's Meredith Hackler has been following Governor Braun's executive order and joins us now to break it all down.
Governor Mike Braun issued another executive order, this time taking a strong stance on immigration, one he says will make the state safer.
Indiana is going to be a state that is going to be helping the administration find these folks that are described as the worst first, and I'm happy to do it, and I think you're going to see a bunch of other states do it as well.
Governor Braun's executive order does two major things. First, it requires state vendors use E-Verify prior to entering any contracts with the state. That program checks to see if the person is in the country legally. Second, law enforcement must report illegal immigrants who pose a threat to public or national security. They must notify the state's Intelligent Fusion Center. The center monitors and shares information about criminal and terrorist activity in Indiana. The governor also said law enforcement must fully cooperate with ICE.
Every state has paid the price in terms of open borders.
I asked the governor if there are areas of Indiana where public safety has been compromised by illegal immigration. While he did not provide specifics, this was his response.
This executive order is about putting the spirit of Indiana behind what most Americans are for.
I reached out to several immigration advocacy groups. They all declined an interview. But in a statement, the Immigrant Welcome Center said in part, quote, "We will continue to work in partnership with other local and statewide organizations to advocate for the rights of our immigrant neighbors in central Indiana and around the state," end quote. At the State House, Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
Well, before the executive order, Chief Chris Bailey said the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department does not intend to participate in immigration sweeps, saying they are here to help regardless of immigration status. That stance was echoed by the president of the Indianapolis Fraternal Order of Police. He said while illegal immigration is a concern, the vast majority of violent crime in Indianapolis has been caused by legal residents, and enforcement is federal, not local. The Hamilton County Sheriff's Office, however, is taking steps to work more closely with ICE. The department announcing a new immigration commission that will enforce immigration laws within its jurisdiction. HCSO will be the first law enforcement agency in Indiana to assist ICE with these efforts. The Sheriff's Office says the program is specifically targeting people in the Hamilton County Jail who are here already illegally, and said they are not doing this to target people because of their race and ethnicity. In the past, the ACLU has come out against this program, saying it promotes racial profiling. Deputies will receive training and equipment to identify and process those who are detained.